Welcome to the Duster Data Innovation Day. I know that many of you have taken the time away from your packed schedules and made an effort to be part of our virtual event today. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all, and with my fellow CEOs, Mario and Toma, thank you for being here. I am Lubomir Ovcharov and I'm the CEO of Adastra Bulgaria. It has been a challenging last year with unprecedented circumstances due to the COVID-19 pandemic. I miss our in-person gatherings, and I'm sure you all feel the same way. Our event this year demonstrates the power of digital to bring us together. We will have the chance to experience something new and different today, and I'm really thrilled to be part of it. Participating in a typical online event can be a little boring sometimes, as we all know. So we decided to give this event a fun twist. You will have the opportunity to create your own unique avatar in our interactive virtual platform and to experience our content as if you are in a live virtual game. So let's go and create our digital twins and meet there. But before that, Toma will tell you more about our sessions and our 3 different streams.
Thank you for handing over, Lubo, and a warm welcome from my side as well. I'm Tomo Buczynski, CEO at Adastra Germany. As Lubo has already introduced, it's our desire to provide a totally new and extraordinary experience to you today. Ever since the world has changed and more shifted to the digital world, the online world, webinars have been sprouting from the ground like grass. There is an endless amount of information that can be accessed at any time and any place. Yet it can be hard to decide which information is relevant to you. Well, I have to admit that we might have made this decision hard for you today. We have prepared 15 sessions in 3 simultaneous streams. According to your interests and your business needs, you can decide on your own agenda today. Although this makes it difficult to choose, we also believe that it offers you the chance to listen to the topics you are interested in and that you can benefit from the most. Our streams will guide you through various hot topics, delivering interesting project insights, best practices, and technical approaches that help you drive innovations in your business. While my colleagues will introduce you to our streams on business innovations and cutting-edge solutions, I would like to start with our cloudification stream. This stream is made for those living in the clouds. I don't have to tell you that the world goes clouds, but I will do it anyways. We were at the gates of digitization when the global pandemic hit us and forced us to speed up. Now, more than 1 year later, we see that the cloud has even more turned from a nice to have to must have. That is required not only to make many businesses work, but also to enable improvement and innovation. It doesn't matter if you have adopted cloud yet and whether your business is small, medium or large. Our 5 sessions will take you from your first steps in the cloud to advanced cloud excellence for your maximum benefit. In our sessions, you will get tips on how to seamlessly perform your cloud migration and, when this is done, how to maximize your return on invest. We will also have a look at hybrid data environments and will provide you with insights on how to adapt fast-track cloud data analytics. Anyhow, moving your IT to the cloud can also be risky, which we want to address as well. Learn how to prevent a cloud vendor lock-in and which role multi-cloud approaches play in this regard. We will also address evergreens like data privacy issues and how to make sure that you sleep well at night, knowing that your customer data is safe on the cloud. So, what is waiting for you in our cutting edge solution stream? I would like to hand over to Mario, who is going to tell you now.
Toma, thank you for passing word to me. Hello everyone again. My name is Marius Maslow. Let me introduce myself a bit. Married with Adastra for more than 20 years. In love with data, mainly big data in the most recent years, and I'm happy to be here with you. Many known faces to me, and I believe many new faces as well. And I'm happy that I could introduce the slot session with the beautiful name Cutting Edge Solutions, which are somehow responding to ever-changing customer behavior as an answer of Adastra, how to approach those changes which are ever changing around us. Well, I'm not here alone today. I would like to introduce Bogdan Manea from KBC Group. Bogdan is responsible for the program, which is reshaping the relationship between assisted and digital channels to support proper lead management and proper customer journeys across the KBC Group. So Bogdan can share his view of the global perspective of such a approach, but also how to incorporate the local specific of the each bank, which are spread over the Europe. I'm more than sure that everyone here in the virtual room received so many packages over the last year, from box of sushi delivered in maybe less than an hour to new socks delivered maybe a day later. And what we all expect of these delivery services to make them fast enough, which is a major metric considered. And just imagine how heavy logistic is behind and how to make this logistic resilient, effective and fast enough. There is a heavy space to utilize the IoT concept, and I'm happy that I can join the colleagues from IoT division who will disclose to all of us how IoT is supporting to make these processes fast enough. And last but not least, because it's somehow connected to my teenage, where we all, many of us play the Counter-Strike-like games, shooting around, etc. in a virtual space, and it's again here, and it's here also for the business use. Put the weapons aside, but the concept of the virtual place, which is somehow ideal, filling the gap between the physical and virtual presence, physical and virtual place. And I'm happy to introduce the colleagues from Virtual who will show you how this concept of the virtual space where we are currently living during the event can support your businesses. Lubo, please move on.
Thank you, Mario. Why business innovations? History shows that innovation thrives during times of crisis and uncertainty. Such times remind us how important it is to be adaptive, to act unconventionally, and to think and see differently. I believe that innovation is the differentiator that will eventually bring our organizations long-term to the winning side. And when I say innovation, I mean not only technological advancements, but most of all, innovative mindset and approach to doing things differently in a more efficient and productive way. So, a few words about our stream sessions. The next normal comes with challenges as remote work, how to keep or even increase productivity, how to retain and grow the talent pool, how to manage the information security aspects successfully, and many more. Organizations are actually forced to break up with the traditional engagement models. This is why we will share with you some best practices on how to bridge the talent gaps, foster innovation through technology, and ultimately lower the total cost of ownership. The new reality is also changing the culture inside the companies and make them more open to adopting RPA. This is great. However, with the growing number of automated processes comes the challenge how to scale up. What the business needs is a convenient way to measure, monitor, and get the full benefit of the existing automations. My colleagues Peter and Dylan will show you a solution that can help you scale up your RPA strategy. We all know quality data is vital to the day-to-day operations of every organization. It comes as no surprise that data is called the new oil in the digital economy. With the assistance of Irina, our DQ practice lead, you will find out how to create a single source of truth, reach bespoke data quality levels, and build a modern data estate that ensures the best decisions now and going forward. I am passing the ball to Toma and Mario again, who will briefly tell you how to move within the virtual showroom and utilize the content for your best experience.
Thanks for handing over, Lubo. You have heard about our 3 streams and some key takeaways now. Please feel free to jump between the streams. Also, don't worry if you miss a session. We will send you the link to the recordings afterwards. The sessions are handled via Zoom. You can join them either by using the banners here in this platform or by clicking on the links we have provided via email. After each session, there will be time for a Q&A with our speakers. Additionally, you will have the chance to book one-to-one meetings with our speakers at the end on every session. Our moderators will explain to you how this works during the sessions.
Hello everyone again. Let me provide you with basic information on how to navigate through this virtual environment. Just remember your gaming times, it's pretty the same as in Minecraft or in Counter-Strike, so please use the arrows to move through the virtual space. The mouse is supporting to rotate and to focus. You can see 4 booths ahead of you. Each one is representing the session you would like to join. You have also the list of all the sessions, the timetable available. By the way, there is only one single bug in the solution, that we have a coffee space. There is just the integration missing with your home-based coffee machine, so it should be manual, but you can have your coffee as well. And enjoy the space. Shortcuts upstairs, not upstairs, we don't have stairs there. Shortcuts are in a corner, right up corner. And in case of any question, you have also networking area. You can ask colleagues or administrator of the system to support you in navigation. So enjoy. Probably you hear very different style of English with very different accents during all the sessions. And the reason is pretty straightforward and very simple. We all are based in different countries, different Adastra group entities from different cities. In Frankfurt, Wolfsburg, Prague, Bratislava, Varna, Sofia, and the others. And this event is showing that this is a joint effort, and it's somehow leveraging the EU values upon the EU is built on, where it's not so important, specifically after the last year, where you are based, where is your physical location, but what you could offer, what is your ability to execute, how you can collaborate. And this event should demonstrate that our business and operational model is fully leveraging these values and principles which can provide innovations, cost effectiveness, and data excellence for not just you as EU-based customers.
We hope that this event will inspire you and provide you some valuable insights. Meet fellow executives and feel free to book one-on-one meetings to accelerate innovation to achieve data-driven value and cloud perfection for your organization.
No event is successful without its guests. I want to thank you again for taking your time and attending today. Enjoy your sessions.